Hi everyone, my name is Harun Rashid Zafer and welcome to beautifulturkish.com. Today I want to talk about the question what in Turkish, which is ne, and then I want to do some examples with bu and şu and bunlar and şunlar. We already learned these on the previous lesson, so this is the second lesson of this series. Okay, let's start with ne. Ne, ne, ne. Bu ne? Bu ne? Which means what is this? Bu ne? Here, by the way, there is no m-izar in Turkish. Okay, there is no word like m-izar in Turkish. For example, here bu means this and ne means what, and as you see there is no word here like is. Bu ne? What is this? In Turkish, to answer this question, usually you just say the name of the object. Okay, the noun. Bu ne? Kitap, which means this is book. Bu ne? Kitap. Or rarely, sometimes if you want, you can use bu also within your answer. Okay, bu ne? Bu kitap. Bu ne? Bu kitap. And if you want to say this is a book, you just say bu bir kitap. Bu bir kitap. Here bir means one, or it can be used as a or a or an in English. So bu bir kitap. Bu bir kitap. Let's go to şu. Şu ne? Kalem. Şu ne? Kalem. Rarely, if you want, still you can use şu, but this is again I want to remind you, this is more usual. Şu ne? Şu kalem. Şu ne? Şu kalem. And if you want that is a pencil, then you say şu bir kalem. Şu bir kalem. And let's go to bunlar, the plural form of bu. Bunlar ne? Kitap. Bunlar ne? Kitap. Here in Turkish you don't have to use the plural form to answer this question. Okay, you can still use both forms. You can say kitap or kitaplar. Bunlar ne? Kitap. Bunlar ne? Kitaplar. Okay, both are possible. But if you say in Turkish, if you say bunlar kitaplar, this means these are books. Okay, this doesn't mean in Turkish, this is important and I will explain this more detailed in the next lesson, but bunlar kitaplar doesn't mean these books. Okay, bunlar kitaplar means these are books, or sometimes these are the books. Okay, and şunlar ne? Kalem. Şunlar ne? Kalemler. Again, if you say şunlar kalemler, this means those are pencils. Okay. Şunlar kalemler. Şunlar kalemler. Those are pencils. And I leave this one. Onlar ne? Onlar ne? What are they? As an exercise for you. And on the next lesson, I'm gonna try to explain how do you say this book, that book, or these books, or that books in sorry, not that books, those books in Turkish. Okay. Herkese kolay gelsin. See you on the next lesson.